Now today is the time of the mock interview in a Golang, and the chapter is the Go routine. Okay, so here I will ask you the real time questions regarding the Golangs, and you have to give the answer in satisfactory manner. Okay, so be carefully. You need to understand the questions and give the answer by thinking the all the aspects whatever you have learned. Okay, so guys, don't fear and you have to perform confidently. Okay, so right now who will come first? Yeah, so here Ganga Prasad. So please switch on your cameras, and here we are starting right now. So I already sent you the message in a group. I think 2 days before there will be the mock interview, and on Golang, the chapter is the Go routine. Okay, so I hope you are prepared well and come up here uh, from as per that purpose. Okay, so yeah, Golang. Hey, Mr. Ganga Prasad, please switch on your camera and start the interview. Okay. So here, Ganga Prasad, can you tell me the little bit about yourself in brief, and something about your key specialty or key skill regarding the programming language and especially in a Golang?
Okay, sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you, sir, giving this opportunity. My name is Ganga Prasad Marikarjun Shirali. I am from Maharashtra district. In 2023, I have graduated in computer science. Then I have joined the one institute and completed the Golang course. In this course, I have learned the Golang, PostgreSQL, then Git, GitHub. Then I also learn the Java. These are my key features. Then that's all about myself, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now Ganga Prasad, can you tell me what is the Go routine?
Yes, sir. Goroutine is a function or method, or we can also say lightweight data structure. Provide the lightweight data structure. It is using the Goroutine. We have run the multiple Goroutine uh, simultaneously. It provide the go routine. We can execute the multiple go routine simultaneously.
Okay. So Go routine means it is a function. Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so suppose normal there is a function func main. So main is also function. So can I say
Yes, sir.
main is a Go routine?
Yes, sir. We can say
I can say main is a Go routine. Okay. So
yes.
suppose there is another function is function is a greeting here. Okay, so can I say it is a Go routine?
No, sir. Firstly, we have declare the go using go keyword. This is
Is it a
go
declaration?
routine.
What is the difference between function and Go routine?
Sir, when we have before function we start with go. This is go routine, and only without go we have say function.
Without Go means what? And with the Go means what?
Means when we have declare function with a go keyword. This is called go routine.
Okay, just 1 second. Okay, Ganga, tell me how do you start the Go routine?
Sir, go routine start with using go keyword and then function.
Okay, but before that, you have already told you the declaration with the Go. What is the difference between declaration with the Go and start the Go routine using the Go?
Sir, both are same.
Declaration is the same. Declaration and calling a Go function is the same.
No, no, these both are different, but
But you
we
have to,
can also we can one type of say we can calling function with using Go keyword.
yeah, but in the before you have told that there is a declaration with the go, using the go. So my question is, the
No,
declaration
no,
and
sir,
calling is the same or different?
different, sir.
Then why you told me like that? There is a declaration with the go.
Sorry, sir,
Okay,
it's
no,
my mistake.
yeah, no worry, yeah. So here, what is the go routine differ from the operating system thread, OS thread?
But it's a
How how
differ from.
how is go routine differ from OS thread? Okay, so suppose there is a three or more than go routine is executing, and before completion of execution of that go routine, the main go routine exit. What will happen?
Sir, these Go routine are not execute.
Not execute.
Uh, we have must be use any function wait yeah time dot sleep.
Okay, what is the default stack size of a go routine?
So there is no size in Go routine default size.
Okay, so how how can you wait for a go routine to finish execution?
What sir question is not
My
understandable.
question is that how can you wait for a go routine to finish execution
Using sir wait group.
using wait group? Okay, yeah. What is the role of sync.wait group in a go routine?
Sir, since dot wait group since is provide the package or its package or using wait group uh, they provide the add then add done method and also wait method. Using wait group we have uh, some little bit amount we have wait the all go routine executed.
Okay, yeah. So here, can you tell me the what is the channel in a go?
Yes, sir. Channel is a main features of Golang. Also, channel is a, one of the medium of sender and in between sender and receiver. This is work like synchronizes process, synchronously run.
Okay. Please, can you tell me once again what is the channel? What is the purpose of the channel?
Sir, channel is a medium that are communicating between sender and receiver.
Okay.
Channel is a work like synchronized process.
Okay. So here, how do you create the channel?
Sir, channel create we are using make function.
Okay. Tell me how. What is the syntax of the make function?
Sir, first of all, we are taking the variable, then create the make function, and in make function we have chan and their data type.
Okay. So why there is a need of the mentioning the data type?
Because of this data type, sir, set the which type of data we have communicate in send or receive.
Okay. So here, can you tell me what are the buffered and unbuffered channel?
Sir, buffer on but difference between.
Yeah, what is a buffered and unbuffered channel?
Sir, unbuffer channel is a default channel. In unbuffer channel, we have must be does not declare the capacity of channel, and in buffer channel, it must be declare the capacity of channel. Then we have also say when we have uh, receive data, uh, it must be when until sender will be blocked until receiver is not receive their data, or receiver is blocked until sender is not send the data.
Which one? Regarding which one, buffered or unbuffered?
Unbuffer.
Buffered.
And in buffer channel, buffer will be block sender is empty, and receiver also block when receiver is full.
How your receiver will be the full, because the task of the receiver to the make the thing empty, and then how receiver is become a full?
Sorry sir, receiver is empty, then it will be block, and send is
Okay.
full.
Yeah. Tell me what is the purpose of the select statement in a Go?
Sir, using select we have
Okay. So here, Ganga Prasad, tell me how do you handle a race condition in a Go?
sir, we have race condition handle using the close function, sir.
What is the race condition?
Race condition means we have, sir, simultaneously access the multiple go routine at a time. This is situation or this condition is called race
Simultaneous
condition.
access. What access?
Simultaneously receive the resource.
What is the purpose of the mutex? What is the mutex? Purpose of the mutex?
Sir, mutex is a mutex provide mutualization. 1 minute. Sir, it's provide the lock in between sender and receiver.
What does the Go keyword return when starting a Go routine?
What does go keyword return?
Yeah. Suppose I start the Go routine using the Go keyword. So what it will return?
It does not execute, sir. It give me the mm, in block.
So how do you ensure a thread safe access to shared resource in a Go?
How do you assure?
How do you ensure thread safe access to shared resources in a Go?
Using sir value comma okay and then send the data. If data is using if statement, if data is okay, then send.
Yeah, okay, okay, yeah, understand. So, what is the purpose of the sync dot once?
Since not once their main purpose is we have multiple when we have multiple go routine is uh, execute. This time only one go routine is execute.
Okay. So, how do you terminate a blocked go routine? Suppose there is a deadlock is occur or go routine is blocked. So, what are the solution to terminate that go routine?
Using sir time dot after, or we can also close using close function.
Okay. Yeah, what is a go routine leak?
Go routine leaks means in background in backgroundly continuously execute the program,
Content.
but it not execute.
Okay, Ganga Prasad here. Can you tell me what is mean by iterating over a channel and how to iterate over the channel?
Or we can iterate channel using for or range for loop. There are we have give the in close in for loop we have must be use the close function.
Okay, what happen if I try to send the data over the closed channel?
Sir, only close the channel.
Yeah, already
Right.
closed channel is closed and I am trying to send the data over the closed channel.
Sir, it will be give the panic error.
It will give the panic error. Okay. Can I close the channel more than one time?
No, sir, only one time we have closed the channel.
Channel can be closed only one time. Okay. Okay, so suppose there is a receiver and they are trying to close the channel.
Sir, in receiver side, we have cannot use the closed channel. It will be give the runtime panic error. Yeah.
What
Block
will happen? It will give runtime panic error or compile time error.
dead program deadlock, sir, goes to the deadlock.
Okay, Ganga, yeah, it's done from my side, and your coding round will be take place after happened all the interviews. Okay, so uh, uh, okay, I hope you understand all the question well, and you given the answer according to your best understanding here. Okay, so okay, right now, thank you so much, Ganga Prasad, and be prepared for the coding round. Okay, so I will update the time for the coding round. Okay, so now next one is who's here is Sheetal Naik. Wasim is gone. Candidate are not attending the mock interviews. Okay, but they are doing so much uh, loss, because here is the preparation is important. In a live interview the same situation will happen with you. Okay, so these are the practices, so here no need to fear and all that things, because it is only just the practices. We are simulating the exact interview process in here. Okay, so here you have to participate, but the still candidate is not understanding or not taking into consideration these things. Okay, so don't worry, the pitfall of the things you will face at the time of the interview. Okay, now Sheetal Naik here. Sheetal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sheetal, please switch on your camera. Okay, yeah, good morning, Sheetal. Good morning. Can you hear me, Sheetal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you conscious?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah, Sheetal, here just tell me in a brief about yourself, and something means what is your expertise in programming language, and what the key skill uh, you have gained in a Golang. Okay, just give me the in a brief.
Okay. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I am Sheetal Nayak. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Computer Science from Adarsh College at Hingoli. There was my CGPA. That time my CGPA was 9.5, and currently I am pursuing my masters in computer application from DY Patil. During my bachelor's, I have learned about various programming language fundamentals like C++, Python, Java, and currently I'm learning Golang and PostgreSQL. This is all about my programming skills. And talking about my hobbies, I like to I like to travel, and second thing is I like cooking. This is all about my hobbies. Yeah, and this is all about me.
Yeah, good. Thank you, Shishal. So Shishal, now come back to our main questions regarding the Golang Go routine. Okay. So Shishal, can you tell me the what is a Go routine in a Go? What is a Go routine in a Go?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Goroutine, it is a function which executes with the other function simultaneously, and Goroutine can be created using the Go keyword.
Okay. Yeah. So here, how do you start the Go routine?
Yes, sir. Goroutine can be started using the Go
Yeah,
keyword.
it will start using the Go keyword. Okay, right now. So Shishal, can you tell me how is the Go routine differ from the operating system thread?
Yes, sir. Actually, Goroutine is much lighter than threads.
Okay, lighter than thread means what?
In case of space and time,
In
it requires less space and time as compared to
okay,
threads.
require little space and time. So apart from that, is there anything that need to take into consideration uh, while defining it as a lightweight? Space and time. Apart from that, is there anything? So we can consider it is a lightweight.
Thread is a flow of execution, and Goroutine is a function, sir.
Okay, so here Shidal, tell me what happened when main function exit while go routing are still running. Suppose there is a Goroutine are still running, but main function is exit. What will happen?
Sir, that function will never execute.
Never execute.
Yeah.
Okay, but it is a still executing function.
Yes, it is executing function, but while running simultaneously, main run first. That is what you are trying to say, Yana.
My
Yes.
question is that suppose there is a main function, it starts the two Goroutine and still they are running, but meanwhile main function get terminate. So what will happen?
Sir, that function will never execute.
Never execute, but function is still executing.
In between,
Yes.
after completion of main function, the Goroutine which we are executing will do not execute completely, sir. I
Okay,
mean
but
to say,
means you have to use the word is it will terminate. Okay, terminate.
will
Okay,
terminate.
so means suppose there is a uh, the main thread or main go routine is exit before completion of the go routines which is started by the main function, so that will automatically get terminated. Okay. Now here Shidal, tell me what is the default size stack size of the go routine? What is the default stack size? Means when go routine is start, because every function you are starting using the go keyword, that becomes the go routine. Okay, so every function is executing, it means there is operating system managing the stack. Okay, so in a go, what is the default stack size for each go routine?
Sorry, sir, I don't know answer of this
Okay,
question.
so here how can you wait for a go routine to finish execution?
Yes, sir.
How can you wait for the go routine to finish execution?
By using wait group, sir.
Using a wait group. Okay.
Wait
Yeah.
group. Wait
What is the
groups.
role of the wait group in a go routine?
Yes, sir. Wait group is a structure which provides the method to make complete execution of coroutine.
Okay. What are the function the wait group is used to synchronize the completion of a task?
Add add method, done method, and wait
Okay.
method.
What is the purpose of the add, done, and wait?
Add method is used to add the coroutines which we are going to execute at same time. Just 1 second. Yes, sir. Add method is used to add two or more coroutines which we have to execute. And wait method is used to make the wait for the to make wait. And wg dot done method is used to acknowledge that execution has been completed.
Okay.
Particular
Okay.
coroutine.
So what mechanism is used by the add go routine to determine the go routine is complete or not? Do you remember the counter is there? Anything? When you use the add method,
Sorry.
wait group increment the counter by 1, and when the done method get called, so counter is decremented by 1. So based on that counter value, wait method is defined whether the all go routine is execution complete or not. I teach you that thing already. Then why
Yes,
you are
sir.
not telling in the interview? Okay. I complete each and everything, every points, every mechanism, each and everything I have already uh, write down into the notes as well. I already teach you all the things. That things we have to utilize here. Okay, then it will not make a sense because you are giving the unique content, but here you are not using that content into the interview. So it will not make a sense. It's just only the piece of a paper. Okay, so here no worry. Okay, tell me what is the channel in a Golang and what is the purpose of the channel?
Channel is a way through which Goroutines can communicate with each other.
Okay, so here for inter the go routine communication there is a channel is used. Okay, yeah. Okay, so how do you create the channel?
Channel can be created using make function.
Using a make function. Okay, and what argument we need to pass to the make function?
We need to pass the data type
Data type. Why there is a need to pass the data type?
because channels are created on the basis of the which type of data we have to pass over that channel.
Okay. Okay. Tell me what are the buffered and unbuffered channel?
Okay, sir. Sir, unbuffered channel is a channel which do not have sorry difference between them.
Is there, first of all, tell me what is the buffer channel, what is the unbuffered channel?
Yes, sir. Buffer channel can be created. Buffer channel can be created using the make function. While creating the buffer channel, we need to mention the size of that channel within the make function as a second parameter is the size of that particular channel in buffer channel. But in case of unbuffered channel, there is no need to mention the size.
Okay, but what is mean by, you are telling the syntax of that, but I want the concept what is mean by the buffer channel and unbuffered channel.
Okay. Yes, sir. Buffer channel. Yes. When we send the values, when we send the data on the buffer channel, uh, after sending data, sender get close and just 1 second, sir. Yes, sir. Buffered when sender sends the data, sender get closed in the buffer after till the receiver get that value, and in case of unbuffered channel, it get the value until it get full on the sender
Okay,
side.
yeah,
On
yes, got it, got it. What is the purpose of the select statement in a Go?
select is a keyword. Okay, select statement is used to execute the or handle the multiple channels simultaneously.
Okay, so how can you stop a Go routine?
How to stop go routine means,
How
sir?
can you stop a go routine? Suppose some go routine is executing and you need to stop that go routine. Okay, so how?
By using closed function.
Why using? What is the rest condition and how do you handle a rest condition in a Go?
Sir, a race condition is a situation where multiple go routines trying to access the shared resources simultaneously.
Okay, and how to prevent, how to handle the rest condition in a Go?
Sorry, sir. I can't still answer of this question.
Yeah, what is the purpose of the mutex in a Go? What is the mutex and what is the purpose of the mutex? I not hear you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are there are two types of blocks. One is a mutex and another is RW.
Shital, are you okay? Are you okay today? Because you are it is totally unexpected performance you are giving here. Means if you are means are you complete your sleep or anything is problem is there? Because what thing
Sir,
are you are talking? You know you are aware of that. What thing are you are talking? You means you are. I thought you are talking in a sleep or unconsciousness.
No, sir, nothing is like that, but there are lots of background noise here,
No, but
like
I not getting any background noise here. Your voice is getting
no.
clear. I'm hearing properly to you. Your voice is very clear and everything is okay here. But
My voice is very clear, but there is a lots of noise here.
you are
While
not able to concentrate. Am I right?
yes, sir, actually, so many people
And they
come
are
to my
watching
house,
to
and
you when giving the interview. Okay, okay, Sheetal, no worry. But these are the right time to you to show them who you are. Okay, and express yourself in front of the other people. So this kind of opportunity are not getting frequently in everybody's life. Okay, so here all the relatives are watching what happened, what will happen next, but it is a good opportunity to you to show them, yeah, everything is happen right because I am here. Okay, so I hope you are performing well, not only in front of me, even in front of your relative as well. Okay, so right now here back to the point. uh, yeah. So, Sheetal, can you tell me, does Go keyword return anything when start the Go routine?
no,
Okay, it
sir.
will not return anything. Okay. Okay, so Sheetal, now tell me, how do you ensure thread safe access to shared resource in a Go? Do you understand the concept question?
Understood
Yeah,
question, sir. Understood question is
yeah. Okay, no worry here. Okay, what is the purpose of the sync dot once?
yes, sir. Sync dot once is a structure which is used to when there is a particular code, that time that code will execute only once.
Okay, only once. Okay, so how to implement the sync dot, how to implement the sync dot once? What method they are provides? What argument need to pass to that method? Is there anything you remember? No. Okay. What is a go routine leak? What
Yes,
is a
sir.
go routine leak?
Go routine
Leak.
leak.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes. When we create the go routine, that time after creation of the go routine, there are memories occupied by them. That time, if we do not close that go routines, they will that time memory will get leaked.
Okay. So here, suppose I am trying to close the channel multiple time. What will happen?
Panic will
It will
occur,
occur
sir.
the panic. Okay. So suppose there is a receiver, they are trying to close the channel. What will happen, or it will work fine?
Yes, sir. Receiver trying to.
Receiver is trying to close the channel. What will happen? Will it work or not?
Sir, only sender can close the channel.
Okay. So yes, you have to tell them is it work or not, or what will happen. Suppose your receiver is trying to close the channel.
It will give error,
It
sir.
will give error. Okay. Error means which error? Panic error or compile time error?
Compile time error.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, tell me what is the iteration of a channel? How to iterate over the channel? Yes. Okay, Sheetal, tell me how to iterate over channel.
By using sir range.
What range? Hmm? Not prepared for the Golang chapter.
For loop.
Yeah.
We can iterate over channel using loop.
We can iterate over channel. Mm. So suppose the loop is going infinitely. So how can I stop that loop? If I iterating over a channel and infinitely the loop is executing. Okay. So suppose there is a channel, there is a two sender that send the data to the channel and receiver using the loop. Okay. So when there is a there is a no any go routing are remaining to send data to the channel, but at that time the loop is executing and the waiting for the sender to send the data, but there is a no any sender is remaining. At that time what will happen?
Sir, it will go in
They go
deadlock.
in deadlock. Okay, so how to resolve the deadlock?
Sir, there is a mechanism in Go with the help of which we can write a code and tell that function to wait for a particular time, and after completion of that time you may get terminated. For loop will get terminated.
Suppose what happened when I try to read a data over a closed channel?
We will get sir zero value if we are trying to get the value from that channel, closed channel.
Okay. Suppose there is a buffer channel, okay, and I am sending a seven buffer channel. Buffer size is a 5, okay, and I am sending a 7 value to the buffer channel. Okay, is it possible?
No, sir, it is not possible to send seven
Not
values.
possible. Sure. If I write that code, what will happen? It will give the error or panic. What thing will happen? There is.
Will give errors.
Okay. So you can try this on your Golang program, whether it is work or not. Okay, so already Ganga have did this thing, and the thing is it's working. No worry. How and why this is happen, I will explain you. Okay. So Sheetal, thank you so much. Your interview is done right now. Do you have any question?
Sir, I am having so many questions, but I will ask you that question when I will come offline.
Okay. Means anything. I mean, what question have into your mind? Just tell me. Why don't you ask that question so far?
Sir, it is not possible for me to ask those questions online, sir.
Okay, it's regarding coding or conceptual actually.
No, sir, it is regarding the concept, sir,
Okay,
actually.
conceptual. Conceptual. Okay, but still, If you at least notify me or address the problems what are you facing, so it will be the help you in this in
So many times, and I have watched your videos also, but I don't know why I'm not able to get the concept. Like I'm getting confused. It means in the case of us unbuffered channel, you have told that when we send the value, sender get closed. After sending the value, sender get closed until the receiver get that values. But I'm getting confused in each and every program, like why this is giving this type of output.
Okay, okay. So listen to me. The Goroutine chapter is a difficult. Actually, difficult means what? In any programming language, there is a concept of the concurrency. So in the concurrency, there is a different programs execute simultaneously with a different context, CPU context. So this thing is not actually get clear what is the flow and how the thing is work, because CPU processor execute any go routine or any simultaneous execution in undetermined way. There is uncertain what thing will come first and execute last. Well, that is a scheduler. Okay, OS scheduler or go routine scheduler, they are defined, and they can execute anything at any time of moment. Okay, so that's why the thing is get difficult to understand the exact flow, but just concept and some other concurrency related issues like deadlocks and the mutex race conditions, how to avoid that, the locking and all that things. So these things you should clear. Okay, so here no worry. When you come to the offline to the class, then ask the question. That's your responsibility to resolve the question at that particular lecture. Okay, so it will be the better for you. Okay. Thank you so much. And the coding round I will take place, but right not right now. Okay, I will update you onto the group. So there will be the coding round. So you have to write down the codes. Uh, I will give the scenario and context and some problems that need to solve using the Go routine. Okay, so these things you have to do right now. Okay, so now it's a term of the Deepak. Yeah, Deepak, please switch on your camera and just be ready for the interview. Okay, so Deepak, good morning, and uh, please
Good morning, sir.
please tell me a little bit about yourself, your programming skill, and the skill regarding the Golang. Yeah.
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, this opportunity. For introduction of myself, my name is Deepak Sasane. My education in the Bachelor of Engineering at Nagnatappa Halve College from Parli Vajanath. Parli Vajanath. At my old in 21 year, and my education, I liking the programming language in the C, C++, Core Java, MySQL database, and Python, PostgreSQL, Golang, and that's all.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Deepak. So Deepak, can you tell me what is the Go routine?
Sir, Go routine is a key feature in Golang. Method and concurrency. Uh, So Go routine is a key feature in Golang, allowing the function and methods.
Okay. How do you start the Go routine?
Sir, Go keyword.
By using the Go keyword.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Deepak, tell me what happened when a main function exit while Go routine are still running.
Make function, sir.
What is the default stack size of the Go routine?
The default tax. Sir, no idea.
How can you wait for a Go routine to finish execution?
Sir, wait function.
Wait is a function.
Sir,
You mean to say wait group or wait?
repeat and then
The
the
question is
question.
that How can you wait for a go routine to finish execution? Suppose there is a foregoing thing that work, so I put the here. I want to wait until completion of that all the go routine.
Sir, close
Close
function.
function is there. Yeah. What is the channel in a go?
Sir, channel. Okay. Sir, channel is sir, the two-way in the Go routine and multiple execution, synchronization, multiple execution in a Go routine, Go channel. But sir, still go through in the sending in the
Okay, no
Go
worries.
routine.
No worries.
Sending.
Be relaxed. Just don't be the hurry. Just relax
Okay, sir.
and understand the question first of all well. Then try to answer in your whatever thing you have understand. Okay, regarding that question. Okay, don't fear. This is a not actually live. Means real interview. It is just a practices. It is a simulation. So here just you need to keep comfort to yourself and then just try to uh, explain the things. Okay, try to explain the things
Okay,
in a
sir.
proper way. Okay, so in the real interview, you
Okay.
have to have the skill or knowledge how to face the interview and how to give the answers of the questions in a well manner. Okay, so here don't fear and don't make so hurry and fast. Okay, just calm down yourself
Okay.
and just listen question carefully, think about it, and explain it in your own word. Okay, yeah. So Deepak, can you tell me how do you create the channel?
Yes, sir. From
In the
make
make
function.
function. Okay, yeah. So in the
Yes.
make function, what argument you need to pass?
Sir,
Okay, why
data
there is
type.
a need to pass the data type? Why there is a need to define the data type?
No idea.
Yeah. What are the buffered and unbuffered channel?
Sir, unbuffered channel is a unbuffered channel is a no capacity to unbuffered in the channel is a no capacity and the sending a go routine and sending a go routine in the block of code. Sending a block of code.
Relax.
Sending
Be
a
relaxed.
block
Relax.
of code.
Understand the question and give the answer by thinking the
Yes.
thing. Okay, slowly, slowly. Don't make the thing fast. Okay, it's a matter of the thing you should understand first of all the question, and then what will be the answer of that question and what you need to uh, tell to the interviewer. Okay, so here, so right now here, what is the select? What is the purpose of the select statement in Golang?
So one
Yes.
like 1 minute. Sir. Sir, select purpose. Sir, the select statement in the control structure that allow the multiple channel
That allow
provide
to wait. That allow to wait
allow
the
to
operation on a multiple channel. Yeah.
okay,
This
sir.
way you have to give the answer. Here, what is the rest condition and how to handle the rest condition in a Go?
Sir, Answer race condition in the multiple Go routines and threads try to access concurrently unaccepted results.
Did you understand the question? How do you handle the race condition, or what is the race condition?
Yes, sir.
The question is a different. You are giving answer is a different. I think you don't understand the question.
Sir, race condition in the where is the multiple threads or go routine to access the shared in the resources at
Good, good,
same
good.
time, same
Stop,
time,
stop,
and
stop.
can modify.
The race condition is a situation where multiple coroutines are trying to access or modify the shared resources at the same time. The result, the inconsistent output. Okay, so this is called as a
Output
unexpected
unaccepted,
output.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Unaccepted
so
output.
this situation is called as a rest condition. So now what mechanism is
Okay.
used in Golang to handle this kind of rest condition? Golang provides the mechanism like channel, mutex, read write mutex,
Okay, sir.
locking. These are the mechanism by using we can
Yes.
control access to the shared resources by avoiding the rest condition. Hmm? So in this way you have to give the
Okay,
answer.
sir.
Okay, what is the purpose of the mutex?
Sir, mutex, sir, mutex in the synchronization and that execution of one thread or go routine can may access resources, sir,
Yeah,
at
yeah,
a
yes.
time.
This answer of this
At a time.
question means you are talking right, but there is a little bit of mistake. So here, the main purpose of the mutex. Means it is a mutual exclusion. Mutual exclusion means what the mutually multiple routine try to access the same resource, but only at a time one routine can take control over that resources. Okay, this is called as a mutual exclusion,
Okay.
mutually exclusive. Okay, means there is a multiple routine are ready to access the same resource, but among at a time only one routine can access that resource. This is called as a mutual exclusion. And to implement the mutual exclusion, there is a mechanism called as a mutex. Okay, so mutex provides a lock and unlock method. By using that method, we determine or we save the critical section. Critical section means what? The code actually, anything code that is a shareable code that may be accessed by the multiple go routine or thread, such kind of code or resources. This is called as a critical section. Okay, so in this way you have to explain the
Okay.
concept. Okay, what does the go keyword return when starting a go routine? Did you understand the question?
No, sir. And the question and the
Suppose
repeat
I
again.
start the go routine using a go keyword. The go keyword return anything
Okay.
or not? Is it written anything? What thing
Yes,
they are
sir.
written?
Sir,
So look at here, go keyword, nothing written. Oh, it just start the go routine,
okay.
but not written anything. Okay, how do we ensure thread safe access to shared resource in Go? Did you understand the question? How do how
Sir,
do you
please
ensure
question and the repeat again.
how do you ensure thread safe access to shared resources? Okay,
No
so
idea,
here
sir.
it means what? There is a shared resources, okay, and you have to make sure there is a no any race condition happen. Okay, so for that you have the you can use the locking mechanism like channel mutex. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
it means what you have to only
RW.
determine the it's a safe access to the shared resources. It means what you need to give the exclusive access to that resources at a same time. Okay, means only one go routine can only access
Okay.
that resource at the same time. Okay, what is the purpose of the once in a go routine? Okay, it ensure that the piece of code only executed once, even if called using a multiple go routine. Okay, so there is a code
Okay.
that called within a multiple go routine, but only one time that code will be executed when you use the once mechanism. We have the do method, and we need to pass the function handler. Yeah, the function as the argument, and within that function you need to execute the code only one time. Okay, so in this way you have to give the answer. What is the go routine leak? The go routine leak means any go routine that infinitely executing unnecessarily. This kind of go routine called as a go routine leak. Means there is a no need to execute the go routine, but still they are executing infinitely. So such thing is called as a leak. Leak means what? The occupying the resources that not releasing the resources even after the completion of the task. So such kind of situation called as a leaks. Understood? Yeah. This thing you should keep
Yes,
in
sir.
mind. Okay. So what will happen if I try to close the channel that is already closed?
Okay.
There is already channel closed and you are trying to close that channel. What will happen? It will give
Sir, panic
it
error.
will give the
Runtime
runtime
panic
error.
error.
Good. Here, how do you prevent or how do you terminate the infinite channel iteration?
Sir, for loop. For where is the sir
Yeah,
for
you
loop
are
range?
using you are using
Infinite loop.
a range for loop. Okay, iterate over
Yes,
the
sir.
channel. Okay, but I want to terminate it. Means they are running infinitely. If there is a sender is not available to send the data, but still waiting for the sender to receive the data and will block the infinitely. So how do I terminate that loop?
Nice. Runtime panic
No,
error.
there will not error. Okay, if you want to broadcast the channel is no longer used, so sender can close the channel. Okay, once the channel is get closed, so whatever the receiver will be there, they have terminate their task. Okay, suppose I am iterating over the channel. Okay, and infinitely my
Okay.
channel is waiting to receive the data, but sender is not sending the data. At that time the deadlock is occur. Okay, but at this time
Yes,
sender
sir.
can notify to the receiver by closing the channel, means no longer there is a data sent over this channel. So then the for range loop get understand channel get closed, means there is no need to wait for the data to receive the data from the channel, and it will terminate their task. Okay, here can sender close the channel? Okay, can
Yes, sir.
receiver close the channel?
No, sir.
No. What happened when I try to read the data from the closed channel?
Sir, read with the RW, RW
No,
lock,
no. You are
RW.
understand the interpret the question wrong. The question is that if I try to read the data over the close the channel, what will happen?
Channel.
Yes. Okay.
No idea, sir.
Okay, guys. Deepak, I am done from my side. Do you have any question? Okay. So here
No, sir.
among the multiple candidate of the Golang, only just three candidates available to the interview. So this is very
Sir, your mic is off.
okay. Among the many student, many candidate, oh, there is only three candidate is available for this interview. Okay, so guys, it's a very worst thing and not totally acceptable, because the candidate are not facing the interviews. So these are the practices actually. In a real interview, same thing will happen with you. So here, I will provide you the stage where or platform where you can develop your skill, that may be your technical skill or presentational skill, or it's a courage, because your subconscious mind will get ready to upcoming situation. But here the thing is not happening the properly, because I don't know why what candidate have the fear, but it will come back to you. Whatever you are doing the mistake, that mistake will not resolve. Okay, that mistake will come to you in a future, definitely. Okay, no worry. Here in this interview your performance is not acceptable. What thing I expect, but the thing you are not done it as per my expectation, or as per we have learned the Golang chapter very well. We have taken only 12 or 13 lecture only for only one chapter. Each lecture is having more than 1 hour, means uh, approximately, means average time duration of the each lecture will be the 1.5 hour. Okay, it's average time, but still you are not giving the satisfactory answers in a proper way regarding the Golang. Okay, but still I am not asked a lot of question on that. I just asked you the 20 or 25 question is there. Okay, but beyond that there is a lot of question will be there that you need to prepare yourself. But in the interviewer it is not possible to take the that much kind of questions for the each candidate, because the time duration and the each and everything. Okay, but there your responsibility as also is that to find out the more questions over the internet, understand the questions, understand the answer of that question, that your from your side the thing should be expected. But here you are not doing anything. Okay, so okay, I will publish your marks onto the group, and in the coding round I will tell you the time. Okay, but here I think it may be the afternoon. Okay, so get ready for your coding route, and from tomorrow we will start the database programming using the Golang. Okay, so guys, I hope this interview is enjoyable for you, and uh, means you address some questions, important questions that may ask you in the real interviews. Okay, and this question they will ask the in real interview. There is nothing to ask for the any kind of different things. Okay, because we have covered the already the all the aspects of the Goroutine chapters, so it is enough for you. Okay, just one thing is that you are not utilizing the resources whatever I have provided in live lectures, the points, some notes, and concepts you are not explaining here. So then it will not make a sense to drive one topic until 5 or 6 days. Okay, because you are not utilizing that concept whatever I have teach you, and what secrets and what things I have already given you in a lecture, our lecture. Okay, but you guys are not preparing for that, and you are giving the answers only by getting the from the internet. Okay, but it will not make sense the whatever extraordinary things we are providing to you. This is the biggest problem here. Just I hope you address this problem and work it on it, and the focus on our progress, not a perfection. Deepak, the problem is major and you need to solve that problem, but don't worry, keep patience and keep consistency. Everything will be okay. Okay, but daily you need to uh, practice to represent yourself in front of the other people. So you need to do the lot of practices, how to speak into the English, how to explain your concept in a proper way that the other person can understand it very well. Okay, so these are the major problem, but this will not resolve within a 1 day or 2 day. It will take a time, but no worry, definitely it will be uh, solved, and it's definitely happen over time. Okay, no worry. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining this interview session, and from tomorrow we will start the database programming. So just revise and prepare for PostgreSQL commands, queries, whatever thing we have learned in our previous syllabus. Okay, okay. So guys, thank you so much.